Let me see if I can go over the menu button. Okay, you have add. You push that. Actually, what do you want to add? Widgets, shortcuts, folders, or wallpapers? Well, let's try widgets first. Here you get a list of widgets. I guess you scroll through either right or left. Find the widget you want. And let's say we want to place it somewhere. So imagine if you hold it down and then you find the page you want to put it on. Let's put it on this page here. Let go. Now this particular widget asks you for 3 different options. So I'm going to go with news and weather. And then when you're done, you just press that screen and there you go. You have a widget on that particular screen. Let's go to the menu button again. Add. Try wallpapers. Okay, you have 3 different categories. Let's try wallpaper gallery. And if you slide it over, it should change to that scenery. And then the one you like, you push where it says set wallpaper. And I'm going to leave it like that and just click save. Now your background wallpaper has changed.